Listen to a lecture in a cognitive neuroscience class.
In cognitive neuroscience, attention is often described not as a single mechanism, but as a limited resource that must be allocated across competing tasks. Early theories assumed that attention functioned like an on-off switch, allowing information either to pass fully into conscious awareness or to be blocked entirely. However, more recent research suggests a graded system instead. One influential model proposes that attentional capacity can be divided, but only up to a point. For example, when participants are asked to perform two simple tasks simultaneously, performance on both tasks often remains stable. But once task complexity increases, accuracy begins to decline. In controlled experiments, researchers observed that error rates increased sharply when participants were required to track more than 3 visual targets at once, even though each target moved at a predictable speed. Neuroimaging studies help explain this limitation. Functional MRI scans show that regions in the prefrontal cortex associated with executive control become increasingly active as attentional demand rises. However, this activity plateaus after a certain threshold. In one study, neural activation increased by approximately 40% when task load doubled, but showed little additional change beyond that point, despite further increases in difficulty. These findings suggest that attentional limits are not simply the result of distraction, but reflect structural constraints in neural processing. Importantly, such limits vary across individuals and can be influenced by factors such as fatigue and age. Understanding these constraints is essential for designing environments, such as air traffic control systems, that rely heavily on sustained and divided attention.
Now answer each question based on what you hear in the lecture.